Unraveling the exit ramp in English. Hello, dear learners and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a very common English phrase, the exit ramp. Often, we come across expressions that make us pause and wonder about their literal and figurative meanings. This is especially true when we tackle the fascinating world of idiomatic language. Exit ramps are part of this intriguing category. So buckle up, as we're about to take a journey to understand what exit ramp means and how you can use it in your English conversations. The term exit ramp comes from traffic terminology. It refers to the slanted road or path that leads vehicles off a highway or motorway. This ramp allows drivers to reduce speed and safely leave the fast-moving traffic on the main route, helping them to transition from the highway to secondary roads or stops. It's a physical part of road infrastructure that plays a crucial role in traffic management and safety. In a metaphorical sense, an exit ramp can refer to a way out of a situation, usually after a period of high intensity or commitment, much like leaving a highway. For instance, if someone is working on a challenging project or in a stressful job, finding an exit ramp could mean finding a way to conclude their involvement or to step back and take a break. It signifies a transition from one role, activity, or commitment to something less demanding or entirely different. Let's look at how this phrase might pop up in our everyday language. After 10 years in the corporate world, I'm looking for an exit ramp to a less stressful career. Our team needs to find an exit ramp for this project so we can focus on new initiatives. She used her maternity leave as an exit ramp to start her own business. In these examples, the exit ramp is a metaphor for an opportunity or decision to leave a particular life path for another. Remember, the context is key when using idiomatic phrases. The exit ramp can be used in various contexts. Career changes, when discussing leaving a job or changing professions. Personal decisions, when talking about moving on from relationships or lifestyle choices. Projects or commitments, when describing the completion or ending of engagements. And that brings us to the end of our journey today. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what an exit ramp is and how you can use this term in both its literal and figurative senses. English is a rich language with many such expressions, and mastering them will certainly add flair to your communication skills. Keep learning, and you'll find your own exit ramp to language proficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in our next video.